Yes, now you can add music to your WhatsApp status. I will tell you how to quickly add your favorite song to your status. Watch the video until the end and I will share a helpful tip on choosing music. So let's get started. So first, launch the app on your device and afterwards tap on the Updates tab just right there. Click on the plus icon near your profile icon and afterwards select the video or the photo for your status. After you have selected the photo, click on the music icon right there. Simply tap on it and from the list you can select the song or use the search tab to find your favorite. After selecting the song, move the slider to choose the desired fragment and tap Done to save and click Send icon to send the status. Now your status with music is ready and all of your contacts can see it. So if this video was helpful for you, leave it a like and subscribe to the channel. This gives me the motivation to create even more helpful videos. Thank you for watching until the end. See you in the next video. Bye.